I'll be trying to be a carpenter. Whoa.
Is it on there good?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, I'm recording now. You'll have to move your chair.
Yeah. Can you hold the drill? Oh, is it caught?
You're good.
Oh, it is? I didn't see that.
You're fine. You're fine. Those other ones, here's your drill.
Thanks.
Just hand me the screws when you get done.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure it's down on the screw head real good now, okay? Or just
It'll make that.
It won't grip it and pull it out.
What was that? I heard something. I mean, something else.
I don't know, Hayden. We're busy doing this, buddy. Get it on there good. Turn just a little bit. Hit the trigger just a smidgen. Real slow. Okay, now you're on. There you go. If it doesn't fit on there good, hit that trigger just a smidgen, and it'll turn the bit, and it'll click down on it.
Okay.
All right, you missed one right there.
Did I? Where?
I'm looking at it right there in front of you, babe.
Oh, it's right here.
Got it? There you go.
Oh, sorry.
I got it. No, it's no problem.
Oh,
Just can't lose them in the yard. Just make sure we find them. It's hard to reach, huh? There you go. Doing it like a champ.
I am something.
You're a master screw taker outer.
Thanks. I'm getting more carpenter training.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Oh man, the course.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, boy.
Saying goodbye to the sandbox Papa built many years ago. Hate to see it go. It's been in the yard a long time. It's kind of depressing.
It ain't that. I think it would be cool if Charlie really did have a doghouse.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make a doghouse out of the wood's still in good shape. Use the tin again. We use it all. Just make it a little smaller. Make him a good little doghouse, won't we?
Whoa! How did that happen?
It's magnetized.
Oh,
See,
okay.
watch.
Oh, the metal.
It helps pick the screw up.
Oh, there's more right here.
All right, you want to do? You want to do the other side, and I get the very top ones?
Yeah.
Because it'd be hard for you to reach those.
Yeah, I can do.
All right, move on over.
Middle.
I'll move your chair for you. Yeah, I got those four. There's 4 up there.
Is there?
Yeah, there's 4. You're good. You got it. Just hold on to them. I want to take a video of my pot I made yesterday. Isn't that pretty? I don't even know what kind of flowers these are, but they look kind of cool.
Where's the bowl?
Here, I'll take it. There you go. Is that the first one?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the one I just got.
Okay. Send me the other ones. You good? Fall backwards is gonna hurt.
I know, it'll hurt my back.
No, it'll hurt more than that probably.
It will break my backbone. It can't break my spine.
Well, let's try to figure. There you go. There you go.
Hey, it's stuck. It's in.
Uh-huh. All right.
Oh,
2 more?
yeah.
You're pushing the trigger too hard, man. Got it?
This is fun.
Uh-huh.
This is the kind of work I like doing.
It is.
Yeah.
You gotta get that. You gotta get it on there. You gotta have it straight up and down on the screw, or it's gonna strip it. If you strip that head, you won't be able to get the screw out because you've nothing to grab onto it.
I gave us the very top.
Okay, I'm gonna get the very top ones. So I'm gonna stop it recording right now, and we will maybe continue in a little bit.